Well, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do today is clean the exhaust tips. They're looking really shoddy. So we're going to basically use I think it's Magna's polish, metal polish. See how that comes up. So I'm going to start that now. I'm not going to spend ages on it. We're going to do the best we can at the moment. It looks like it's about to pour down. So we're going to try and basically do some steps leading up to Ford Fair. Got a lot to do. The car is looking really shoddy at the moment. I'm not happy with the way, I've just been leaving things, to be honest. I haven't really had the time, to be fair, but we're going to try our best to do a number of steps to get us ready for Ford Fair. You might have seen the episode before with the splitter, and now that splitter needs to go on the back. So we've just done the exhaust, or we're just about to do the exhaust tips, and so we can get the splitter back on, and then we're going to move around to the front of the car. We've got the grille to do. Zun Sport needs to come off. We need to basically address the paintwork on the grille. We've got the fog lights to do. We've got a number of things to get sorted. Whether it's going to be done or not, I'm not too sure, and it will just be what it is. But yeah, hopefully we can just get this going. So look, without further ado, let's get cracking on these exhaust tips, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so let's crack on. This is what I'm going to use today. All metal polish. Not used this before, so I have no idea what it's going to be like. I know the pink stuff is great and a lot of people use that, so we're going to give this a go today. This is the current state of the tips. Looking pretty shoddy. Exhaust, other tip, looking a bit sad really. So we're going to try our best to give this a clean. Yeah, well, let's just get cracking. Okay, giving them a bit of a clean. So we're going to start with the Magnus now, see if we can get these looking good. Right, okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to use this, slap it on and see what happens. Let's go. Got a microfiber. I've got no idea what I'm doing, to be fair. Right, it's starting to look better already. It's alright, this stuff. We'll just keep going. Keep rubbing these flipping tips. See if we can get them any better. But they look pretty black, to be fair. I'm not sure if this is actually going to work. Well, I mean, it's going to work, but I mean, whether they come up great. I think I might need a better Brilla pad, but we'll keep going. So it's pretty coated, and we're just moving them along. Let's go get this one done. Right, everything's pretty much coated and I can hear thunder rumbling in. We're gonna have to be quick, so we're gonna give this a clean off, and apply some more and give it a buff and shine and see how they look. I think it's about to absolutely tip it down. Doesn't look too bad actually. Still a lot of work, but looking better. Okay, so I've given it a bit of a clean and they look better, not perfect. So I think we're going to hit it another time. See if we can get this a little bit better. I don't think I'm going to get this too much. It's almost like a burnt weld rather than like chrome. I mean, I could be wrong. Might be able to get it back. Probably not this time. Probably needs a bit of work. But we'll try our best before it absolutely starts pouring down, just to see if we can improve it slightly. That's not too bad inside there. It's a little bit better. So let's get this applied again, and then we can actually polish it and see how it looks after that. I'm just going to hit it with a Brillo pad. I've just managed to get something off which was stuck on there, so that's good. So that's starting to look a bit better. And then we'll apply a little bit more in a moment, just to see if we can get it shining. But not looking too bad. Yeah, we'll keep going. Right, I think that's the best I'm going to get it. I mean, they're looking better. So we're going to give them a buff now. See if we can... I mean, I'm sure with some more work we could get them really up nice. As I say, it's definitely sounds like it's about to chuck it down. So I think we're going to call it a day. We're obviously getting some prep work done before Ford Fair. We've got the splitter being done, the rear splitter. Get these in a position where next time, maybe next week or during the week, we can work on them again. And then we obviously need to get this splitter back on and then start working on the front of the car. So yeah. Right everybody, I'm pretty happy with that. Gonna have to leave that as it is. They look a lot better anyway. Blemish on here, like a burnt mark or something. I'll try and work on that another day. But it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we'll call it a day. Looks pretty good. As I say, we've got to get the splitter finished and on, so we're going to go back and finish that now, and try and get this back on the car this evening if possible. But with the weather closing in, we might be in a little bit of trouble. But listen, catch you on the next one for another basically modding, or not modding, updating, sorting out and ready for Ford Fair. Thank you very much guys.